Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Zilla channel. Today we are going to discuss about updates for the 30 days of Google Cloud program. As you might have already heard about 30 days of Google Cloud, if you haven't heard about this program yet, then there is a complete video with introduction to all of this and the swags they are offering and the knowledge they are offering with the skill badges and everything in between. You can check out that particular video that will be linked in the I button as well as the description of the video. Coming up next, we already know that this program will start from September 27, and all of us are waiting for the registration form. And here is the big update, guys. The registration form will open on 22nd of September at 5 p.m. IST. And in order to have that form, and you know it will be limited for just 50,000 people, and that would be on first come first serve basis. And obviously 50,000 is nothing when there is an ongoing program which is inviting everyone all over India, right? So in order to get in those 50,000 people, it is important that you know something and you prepare really hard, you know all the prerequisites, and you're completely aware of how the program works. And in order to do that, for our lovely subscribers on the Zilla channel, what we have done is we'll let you know what you want to do even before the form is out, so that you can obviously be the first one to be in the line for registration. The very first thing that you'd like to do is you'll have to go to this particular video on our YouTube channel. This particular video is how do you make a Qwiklabs public profile URL. Now, this particular thing is really very important. I would encourage you all to watch this 10 minutes video till the end, because this video is a game changer on which 50,000 people will be actually able to enroll in the 30 days of Google Cloud program and will be eligible for all the rewards. Once you go and create a Qwiklabs public profile URL successfully, as soon as the registration form opens up, the very first thing that they will ask you is your name and everything, and then they will ask you to create a Qwiklab public profile and give them the public URL of that profile, because that is how they are gonna track your entire progress in this program. So it is very essential that you get that public profile made as soon as the registration forms opens up. You can just fill it out and you'll get all the details there. Now, coming up next, if there are any more updates regarding this particular program, we will be sharing those updates through our Telegram group. The link for that particular group is in the description box below. Now, I want you to see this particular group. This is the 30 days of Google Cloud official group by Techie Zilla, and there are three major updates right now that we have already shared on our group. The first one is that there is this particular video that we have input on what the program is all about, that I was discussing at the beginning of this video. So if you don't know about 30 days of Google Cloud yet, you can watch this particular video, get all the information regarding the skill badges, regarding the rewards that they're offering, and how do you ensure completing the challenges. Now, the second thing that we have done is basically making a Discord group. Our team is working 24/7, helping students like you with any doubts that they might have. So what you want to do is you want to join the Discord channel, and we will not only solve doubts for 30 days of GCP, but we'll also let you know about programs like GCRF, which is Google Cloud Ready Facilitators Program, the DSC Lead Program, or the MLSA program, or any of the programs that are related to communities. So we'll help you in all those things. And what you have to do is you just join Discord, meet the community members, help them, help yourself, get help yourself. And now the very third update that we have is many people were very curious to know how would they actually solve the 30 days of Google Cloud Labs, because they are just beginning. They are just beginners, right? So what we have done is we have created an entire resource which will help you in getting those skill badges and completing all the labs that are there in the 30 days of Google Cloud program. You can see it over here, and once you click on this particular link, going to our Telegram group, you'll be redirected to our website. This is our partner website. This is by the course intern team. They have partnered with us, giving us all of the information about 30 days of Google Cloud. So if you scroll here, you'll be able to see all the links. Like, first one is the Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. They're also hiring for the campus leaders. They have their own YouTube channel where they promote free Udemy courses and job opportunities and work from home opportunities. If you're interested in any of those stuff, please give them some love. And now finally they have mentioned all of these resources for you to complete those labs, because we have already discussed in the previous videos there will be two tracks in this program. One will be track 1 and then the track 2. One is the cloud track. The second track is regarding the ML and AI program. Every lab could be completed with here. You can see the cloud engineering track, and under cloud engineering track you'll get the resources categorized by the skill badges. So for skill badge 1, you can go over here, select whatever lab you want to do. Here is the quick link to the Qwiklabs, where you can complete this particular lab. And then if you really want some more help, you can just click on this YouTube video and we will show you how to exactly do it. And I hope that these particular things would really help you. If you don't want to miss any of the updates, make sure to subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you can receive for all further updates. Remember guys, there is just 50,000 enrollments that this particular program will allow, right? So just make sure you have your Qwiklabs public profile ready and you are really the first one to register for this particular program. You'll find the link for the video both in I button as well as in the description below. For rest of the updates, join the Telegram channel, join the Discord channel if you want to ask anything, and make sure to subscribe the channel, and of course share this particular video with your friends so that they can get benefited from all of the things that the course intern team is planning and the Techie team is planning. We are working hard for you guys, so make sure you give us a big thumbs up and share this with your friends. We'll see you in the next one with more updates. Take care.